Creator God, forgive us. In our efforts to understand you, we have made you small. We have tried to make you like us. In wanting to see your face, we created images that look like us instead of you. In wanting to hear your voice, we listened to hurtful words, hate-filled news, voices not guided by you.